sunlit space, you hold your perfect pose. A cold shoulder, a stoic grace, how you kept your face. Reflected light, a frozen art, never a single tear. Kept your distance from my heart, year after year. Then a beam of golden thread starts to warm your stone. Your edges soften, fear is shed. You're no longer alone. The surface dulls, the posture breaks. A silent, slow release, for goodness sake. Carve warmth, I'm the room watching you learn to be water. Carve warmth, falling apart, a beautiful slaughter. The velvet plinth grows dark and wet, a mirror on the floor. A silent, beautiful regret I can't ignore. Your sharp lines blur and start to fade into a liquid sigh. A promise made, a price is paid beneath the sky. This golden light, a tender heat, begins to claim its prize. The sculpted form, a slow defeat before my eyes. Your posture fails, a soft cascade, a silent, slow release, a memory made. Carve warmth, I'm the room watching you learn to be water. Carve warmth, falling apart, a beautiful slaughter. The chandelier, a captured gleam, now floats within the pool of broken, shimmering dream. Breaking every rule, your outline gone a liquid lace, catching all the light, leaving not a single trace of your former might.